This is our lunch. We have some hornli, some pasta, macaroni. We have some chicken and some boiled veggies. This is our lunch. We have some rice. Yeah. We have some fish, some carrots, some fish with some apple sauce, and some shake. This is a banana, avocado, and persimmon shake. This is our lunch. We have some carrots, some mozzarella and tomato with some beans. We have some soup with string beans and zucchini, and we have some fish and some melon with a little bit rice. This is our lunch. We have Taiwan, morsel, and steak. Oui. Carrots, Repligote, Fleisch und Reis. We have watermelon, rice, some Gemüse und fish with viel tomato. This is our lunch. We have rice and some kürbis or squash and ananas or pineapple. Look. Ta-da! The screen. This is our lunch. We have Taiwan. We have schnitzel. We have some ananas, sauteed mushroom. The client is eating. This is our lunch. We have some fish soup. We have paksiw. We have broccoli and rice. This is our lunch. We have some pasta in white sauce, chicken and zucchini. So this is our lunch. So we have some rice. We have some salmon and some eggplant from the oven. Then we have some salad. Oh, this is Clint's pancake. So here. This is our dinner. We have some apple cake. We have some tomato mozzarella salad, and we have some pasta in a pesto with some aubergine or eggplant. Unser Essen: Reis, fish, salad. This is our lunch. We have some penny and white sauce. We have some cauliflower. We have some chicken. Ta-da! This is clean. This is what we're eating. Some fried rice from the Chinese system. This is our lunch. We have some fish. We have some onion rings. We have some salad. Yes. We have some chips, and we have some rice, and we have some wine. Yes.
Whoa.
This is our lunch. We have some rice with some veggies. We have some fish. We have some salad with French dressing and some sweet bread. Today's lunch we have fried rice and Suppe mit Eier.